All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ikel Akingbola speaking. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can use specific interests to target the right set of people on your next Instagram advert. In this video is going to be a walkthrough on how you can set up campaign the right way. Some of you have been running campaigns and you are not getting the right result. You are not able to reach out to the right set of people. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide to showing you how you can reach out to the right people. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and let's go into the video without further ado. All right, guys, welcome back. This is Ezekiel Akimola speaking. So, in this particular module, what I want to share with you, I have it broken down for you before now. But what I want to do right now is to share with you share with you an information that can help you increase your ads games. It will help you to boost the way you run ads, So, and the first thing I'll be talking about is the interest, is the ad interest. I've mentioned it before now, but I want to also mention it again in just a separate module so that I can help you make more emphasis on it and then let you know what to do and what not to do. So, how do I assess this? I believe you can see my mouse pointer, and I'll be telling you what I'm doing. So, you are going to come to your profile down on the right hand side, down right hand side corner, as below the right hand side corner. That's where you get to your profile. So this is just one of my accounts. So you can see that I manage a lot of other accounts, my account, personal account, and all. Okay, so having said that, the next thing you should also look into to get access to the ad interest is that on the top right corner, this should be your friend. You see these three lines, they are your friends if you are running ads on Instagram. So the next thing you do is go to settings, and on your setting portion, you'll be able to see what is called business. So once you come to business, then you will see I'm on the right place. Let me check. Okay, I'm not in the right place. So let's go back. Let's go to ads. Okay, this is it, ads. So ads interest, you can see ad interest. So the ad interest is a very important subject in Instagram, and it helps you to know the kind of interest you should target when you are running your ads on Instagram. So for instance, whatever, depending on the kind of um, product I'm selling. So I want to be sure you understand how I got here before we move on. Click on the three dotted line top there at the top right corner. Um, Click on settings, then come down and click on ads. Then you click on add interest. I believe that was simple. So you can see the different possible interests. So this means that, let me read this out. Advertisers can reach you based on the interest categories. We add you to those categories based on the information you provided and your activity so far. So Instagram will be showing me ads based on this particular list of interests: right moves, expensive taste, techno N99, Alabama State Bar, theater, textile industry, storytelling, Adobe Photoshop, China. You can see the different interests that I might have mentioned, or I might have searched, or I might have interacted with one way or the other. Do you get that? So that is what the Instagram ad interest does for you. So now, how does this apply to your business? So this applies to your business because you can come here and filter the interest that connects to your business. So let me give an example. Let's say I am a fashion designer. Okay, let me say I sell hair products. So how do I make use of this to my use? So you have to go through all these different interests and then write the ones that relates to you. So let's go through and just pick one or two, then we'll move to the next thing. So music industry, okay, might not necessarily relate. Opera book, okay, that does not connect. So if I sell books, or if I'm trying to target people who are intellectual, people who are interested in academics, people that will be in opera book club, there are people maybe they are interested in stories. You understand? So those are the kind of people I'll target if you are doing that. So for outdoors now, maybe I am trying to sell an umbrella. I'm trying to sell a vacation spot, a vacation equipment. You understand? So the best thing to choose is to choose the outdoor interest amongst other interests. So if I'm choosing, I think it's better this way. So if I'm choosing the World War II history, then you should know the kind of people you'll be targeting here. Those people that have interest on in something like this, you should know what you should target it. Now, small businesses. So for me now, my business is in to help small businesses to grow as quick as possible using Facebook ads and social media, and leveraging on social media and the internet generally. So any major opportunity that will help me to grow small businesses, that's what I find, and I learn myself and teach others to grow as well with me. So you understand? So when I want to target, tell me the best interest I should make use of. So definitely, I'll be going for small business, and okay, move. Okay, I can say soft drinks if what I'm selling is relating to this. So you can see different. So if you're into hair, you can say hair. You can click on people with that are interested in hair dryers. So they might not necessarily want to buy hair dryers, but those that have buy hair dryers, they might have. They might also want to buy wigs. They might want to buy your hair products. They might want to buy your hair creams. So anything that connects to your business is what you are selecting here. So cookie. Anybody that is interested in cookie might be interested in chocolate or something related. So pick stuffs that are connected to your product. So look at Forex Club now. So if I'm into cryptocurrency and other things, I'll select people from Forex Club. So there are many options here that I can pick that will connect. Look at hairbrush. So people that have interest in hairbrush would definitely want to buy hair products. Will be people that use hair products. So I want to also have access to this. So please and please, this is very important. So I am showing you how you can select specific interest. So in the video when I was trying to build the when I was in the first video when I was trying to select interest, you see I was just searching randomly without much information. But I am telling you in this module now that you can select specific. So based on your ad interest that you find on your own end, that Facebook, Instagram is using to target you, you can select specific interest options that you can use to target other people. It is very important. So let me stop this video here, and I hope it has helped you. I want you to practice it and send me a screenshot of the kind of results you're getting. Your results will change when you're able to get the right interest. So once you get the right interest, don't let it go. Don't forget it. If it means writing it in your diary or saving the audience, don't forget we can save audience based on the first video I shared with you guys. You can save audience, so you can save that audience and keep banking on that audience till you are able to get as much money from them as possible. All right, let's go to the next module.